We enter is a general navigation. Here no verification point. Enter some value into Google search engine. Enter some value into Google search engine and what is the default button in that Google search engine? Google. Click Google search and search. Okay, na? Enter some value into Google search engine. 8 box. Just a minute. I'm removing all this. Oh, objects required. System.set property required. Na? First 4 statements. Okay. HTTPS www.google.com. Run this partial test script. Okay, is entering. Here, enter some value. Vijay, enter some value. Inspect this 8 box. Suppose I'm entering some value. India. Enter. Then it will display India related documents, India information documents. It will bring the documents from servers. Observe India related pages, Ramesh. Okay, na?
Yes, sir.
This is my navigation. Just enter some value called India. Suppose inspect this one. Class name available. Name available for this 8 box. What is the name value? Q. Name. Use name. Next, search button. Inspect this button. For this button, class set name available. Na?
Yes, sir.
BTNK. Name available. Just a minute. Driver dot find element by dot name locator value Q dot send keys India. Just run this one. It will enter India to that edit box. Okay. It is okay, na?
Yes, sir.
Next, click on the Google search button. I think we already inspected that one. Na? What is the value for that one?
BTNK.
Good.
K.
Pardon?
Yeah, BTN capital K.
Okay, I copied that one. Just a minute. Driver dot find element by dot name locator value BTNK dot click. It has to display India related pages, 10 pages per page. 10 links per page. Yeah, click, not clicking, Ramesh, not clicking, not clicking. Suppose give some wait time, then what will happen? Suppose red dot, sleep, parents. I think wait time not required. Just check, run the code. Click. Now it's clicking now.
Yes, sir.
Here actual wait time. How we identify that wait time requirement, synchronization requirement? By conducting dry run only na. By conducting dry run only we identified this one. Just a minute, run. No wait time, Ramesh.
Yes.
No wait time. I think execution interrupted. Open this one result window. It's showing error na. Element not interactable. Element not interactable.
Yes, sir.
Why element not interactable? Observe here. Element position is changing. That's why it takes time for locating that one. Observe here. What is the location of this Google search button? Observe my mouse pointer. This is the Google search button location na. Middle of the screen na.
Yes, sir.
Next, enter some value. Enter some value. Now, what is the position of that search button?
It's at the bottom.
Bottom.
Yes.
That element location dynamically changed na.
Yes, sir.
So it takes some time for identifying that one. That's why wait statement required. How I identified this one? By conducting dry runs only, you need to identify synchronization time. Run the code. This time it may work. After 2 seconds, it can identify. Identified now.
Yes, sir.
See, this is one. Here, earlier we used wait time several times, Vijay. They're optional only for observing the test execution process. We used that wait time. But in this scenario, Ramesh, wait time is required now.
Yes, sir.
Say